tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the Turtle library from your system in VS Code. So the first thing you need to do is open your Visual Studio's code, and then from here head on to the terminal. Then in the terminal, simply type in the following command, which is pip uninstall python turtle. Make sure that the P and the T are in capital. Then once you have successfully typed in the command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the process. And here you can see that the uninstallation is being started, and it will ask you for a confirmation. To agree, simply type in Y and hit the enter button. And here you can see that the uninstallation has been successful for the Python Turtle version 0.3.2. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.